Hi, I'm Jordan, and welcome to Tales from the Notch, your inside look at life on vacation at Smugglers Notch Resort. We've come to the adventure tent on the Village Green to check out the Smuggs I-Did-A-Cart. Join the Big Air Dummy Derby using an assortment of supplies such as duct tape, balloons, paints, and cardboard, all supplemented by your imagination to build your dummy derby.
We have some streamers for the flames coming out of the back. We got the wing of the car already.
This is the bunny's face, and that is the bunny's leg, and we're making big, big bunnies.
It's a good way to spend an hour and a half together. Teamwork, working together. Everybody can contribute in a different way. Little kids can contribute by painting and coloring and offering ideas, and adults can watch their children use that part of their brain.
We're making a tank that goes here and then pops open.
We're using a lot of duct tape today.
A blue edge around the windows.
They brought Bob along to go in their golf cart. Got to make a seat for him.
I like this event because you get to see different dynamics and different families working together. As I have a family myself, I think we would probably work a little differently than all the other teams here, and I like to see the dynamics of families at work.
We're bringing the carts up the hill, and then they'll all take turns sending them down, and then we'll have an award ceremony. It's go time. What a fun experience for you and your family, and a little lesson in physics too. With Tales from the Notch, I'm Jordan Matheson. Thanks for watching.